Hi, welcome back to my channel and I'm Ivor, and today I'm going to show you how to do the I don't know what's it called, like shifting your head, but the song is called Asthma Pump. TikTok tutorial. Because I'm using my phone to record and I don't have a mock phone for me to hold, so this is my lotion. Anyways, so this is your phone, grabbing your phone on your right hand, and your hand is gonna be like this. You gotta act like you're exhausted. And then you gotta place like that. See? See how I just move my body up like that? Make sure your camera is like that. First scene, done. Second scene, you're gonna be like this. Okay, got it? Like push it up. Second scene, done. Third scene, this is you with your makeup on. You gotta make sure your body drops down. Okay, got it? Once you're done recording, just click on adjust clips. This is to ensure a clean transition. So there are 3 sections of the clips that you just recorded. Just trim a little bit in the beginning and the end, depending on the beats. So that's all I've got for you guys. If you guys have any questions, you know what to do. Just leave comments down below and I'll try to reply as much as possible. Take care and stay safe.